Service config. Config description. Service config delayed auto start3. Configure the time delay of an auto start service. Enter 1 in the argument field to start the service after other auto start services plus a time delay. Enter 0 in the argument field to turn off the auto start service delay. Applies only to installed auto start services or services installed by this package with service auto start in the start type field of the service install table. Service config required privileges. INF06. Change the list of privileges required by the service. Enter a list of requested privileges in the argument field. The formatted string value in the argument field lists the privilege constants for the requested privileges. You can use the syntax of the formatted string to insert a null character. Separate the privilege constants in the list by Service config. Service SID. INF05. Add a service SID type to the process token containing the service. Enter in the argument field a valid service SID type for the service SID info structure, service SID type none, service SID type restricted, or service SID type unrestricted. Service config. Press shutdown. INF07. Configure the length of the time the service control manager waits before proceeding with other shutdown operations. The SCM waits for this period of time after sending the service control press shutdown notification to the service. Enter the time delay length, in milliseconds, in the argument field. Leave the argument field empty to reset the time delay to the default of 3 minutes. Service config. Failure actions. FLAG4. Configure when to run the failure actions for this service. This setting is ignored if the service has no configured failure actions. Enter 0 to run the actions only if the service terminates without reporting service stopped. Enter 1 to run the actions if the service terminates reporting service stopped and the DWIN32 exit code member of service status structure is not error success. Configured failure actions are also run if the service terminates without reporting service stopped.